What is up, everybody? It's Braden from MotorBiscuit, and there's certainly no shortage of insane cars to see here at SEMA, but we're going to take you on a tour of some particularly crazy vehicles you wouldn't expect to see anywhere, let alone on the floor of the convention center in Las Vegas. We're going to try and find some hypercars and some higher-end supercars and just some nuts stuff. Just turned a corner and lost my mind. Right here is a metallic pink Ferrari F40. Alright, the pink F40, not something I saw coming, but another thing I didn't see coming is right in front of me right now. If you're familiar with the videos of the Zenvo with the ridiculous active aero, there's one sitting right here. When you're in the presence of a Zenvo TS RS, things like a Lamborghini Urus Performante just don't really impress you anymore, but it gets even more insane than that, if you can believe that. The next stop on the list is the Apollo IE. It's a supercar you may not be familiar with, but you're going to love it pretty much instantly. Next up, Pagani Huayra BC. Now there is one last car I wanted to show you, but it's covered up now, so we're going to have to come back tomorrow so you can see the Lamborghini that's underneath that cover. I promise you, it's going to be well worth the wait. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the most casual presence of a Lamborghini Chan, that's, don't lambaste me, we googled how to pronounce it, the most casual presence of a Lamborghini Chan you'll ever see in your lifetime. Just kind of chilling here at SEMA. It doesn't get much crazier than that, but that doesn't mean we're going to stop looking. As you can see, there is no shortage of super and hypercars to see here at SEMA. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to keep up to date with all the SEMA stuff we've got going on, as well as everything else MotorBiscuit does, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram at MotorBiscuit Official and on Twitter at Biscuit Motor for live updates from SEMA and everything we do in the future. And for anything and everything automotive you could ever imagine, visit MotorBiscuit.com. Till next time, I'm Braden Carlson. I'll see you in the next video.